In this video, I'll walk you through the modern process of inventing, from coming up with your idea to selling your product all around the world. I'll also share some tips on how you can increase your chances of success. In the past, inventing was a risky business. Inventors would often spend years and thousands of dollars developing their ideas, only to have them fail in the marketplace. The old way of inventing went something like this. An inventor would come up with his idea, then he would spend a lot of time and money to patent that idea, and only then would he manufacture the product. And finally, he'd go out into the market and try to sell the product. This process was risky because there was no guarantee that the product would even be successful. Even if the product was successful, the inventor could still lose money if they didn't manufacture and sell it efficiently. The modern way to invent is much more efficient and less risky. Here's how it works. An inventor first comes up with the idea, and then he sells the idea. With that money, he can then manufacture his product, and only once he knows he has a viable invention, he goes and patents the idea. As you can see, it's completely backwards, but less risky. By selling the idea first, you can validate the concept and generate revenue to fund the next steps. You can also use this feedback to pivot and refine your idea based on market demand. Once you have proven your idea has a market, you can then invest the time and money to file a utility patent. This will protect your market share and help prevent others from copying your invention. The modern way of inventing is all about managing risks. By taking smaller, calculated risks, at each stage, you can increase your chance of success. If you have an idea, don't follow the old way of inventing. Instead, take the modern approach and reduce your risk. Sell the idea first, then produce it, and patent it once you know you have a successful product. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to start inventing today.